to me and take my hand and be my lady. Truly, I must let you know that I'm in love with you. All I want is you. How I need you. So please be my lady. Maybe you could listen if you just tell me. See the word you long to whisper that I want to hear. Something's on your mind. Is it hidden in your smile? Be my lady. Just forget the past. It's time to mend your broken heart. No walls divide us now. So dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all I have. Be my lady. You're the one that I adore. So please believe me. I can never find the courage to resist your charm. Nothing's more divine than each moment. You are mine. Be my lady. Just forget the past. It's time to mend your broken heart. No walls divide us now. So dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all I have. Be my lady. Let the sun shine through your heart and make a brand new start. Stay with me each night and day through the rest of my life. Just like the work of art, my love will last until forever. Just like the work of art, my love will last forever.
Alright, that was Rinaldo Caorte of VNG Tacloban City. Be My Lady. Ito yung kanta na kadalasan kinakanta sa karaoke bar. Alam mo yun? Be My
Oo,
Lady.
narinig
Diba?
ko na sa mga video.
Oo.
That's right.
Oh, bakit Be
Bakit
My
ito yung
Lady?
pinili
Oo.
mo?
Mahilig ka ba mag-karaoke?
Ano lang po, sa bahay lang po.
Sa bahay lang. Oo.
So, first time mo bang mag-join ng contest?
Yes po.
Anong nickname mo pala?
Ren
Oh,
po.
dito tayo,
Ren,
baka
Ren.
mahulog tayo. Dito na, ayan. Yun.
First time ni Rendon pala mag-join, DJ Carlos Miguel. Kinabahan ka ba?
Sobra.
Sobra pa, hindi naman halata.
Hindi halata, no? Sino kasama natin?
Wala po.
Wala pa. Wala pa yun. Asan yung mga parents mo, yung supporters natin? Ba't di mo
Kasama.
i-invite dito sa contest natin?
Para,
Kaya ano?
waray po. Waray lang po ako
Nag-inform?
nag-invite. Waray lang
Kaya
mag-inform.
ano?
Mayroon kayo.
Dapat meron kayo itong supporters, ano?
Yes, alam mo ba pagkasama mo yung family or friends mo, nakaka-boost yun ng
Exactly.
confidence. It can actually help your performance.
Oo. Pero next time, malay natin pag nanalo sa Grand Finals,
Dalhin mo na yung
baka
family
buong
mo.
barangay ng VNG kasama doon sa Grand Finals,
Yes.
right?
But you can actually greet them sa naka-live
Sa
tayo
Facebook
sa
Live.
Facebook Live
Oo,
sa K-Box Studios.
K-Box Studio. Hello sa mga
Facebook
viewers
page.
natin dyan. Ang
Yes.
daming nanonood sa atin. Hello sa inyo. Happy
We hope
viewing.
that you can join us next Saturday here sa Shrine Family Food Park.
Alright.
Ruben, Ren, ready ka na?
Rinaldo. Okay. Okay, let's hear from our judge, Miss Christian Dominic Gravoso. What can you say about the performance of Mr. Rinaldo Caorte?
Good evening, Mr. Ronaldo.
Reynaldo, yeah.
First of all, I would like to congratulate you for reaching this point in the competition. Considering na 'di ba sabi mo this is your first time, tapos nakalampas ka sa first stage. I think it was a very nice performance. Be mindful lang sa diction and sa enunciation ng lyrics of the song, most especially sa low notes kasi di ba you started low, yun nga sa diction, when you use the lower register of your voice, the tendency is to sometimes na taken for granted ng ibang singers yung yung low parts of the song. Tapos I noticed kasi when you already reached the higher parts of the song, lumabas na yung boses mo. So okay na yung enunciation. So also I noticed na since you already said na this is your first time, it's okay. You can still work on your confidence sa stage, how you navigate the stage, your stage presence. Overall, I like naman how you interpreted the song. So congratulations.
Thank you po.
Ayan, ano masasabi mo sa comments ni Ma'am Christian? Ano ito masisiring? Ano yung comment?
Sakto man po yun, tatanan.
Sakto man good. Oo. Yun lang.
Kinakabahan niya
Makawad
siya.
mong gadalo. Ayaw kawad. Kita maling nga tulo.
May sasabihin na siya. Ano
Sabihin
yun?
ba? Ano yun? Ay, nabu.
Sige.
Nahuring. Oo.
Shoutout daw siya.
Shout
DJ
out.
Carlos
Go ahead.
Miguel.
Shout out.
Shout out po ako sa taga San Ricardo Fire Station. Ako mga katrabaho. Thank you.
Wow,
Fire station.
Firefighter pala
Firefighter.
siya.
Saan daw yun?
San Ricardo Fire Station?
Ayan. Hello.
Southern Leyte po.
Southern Leyte.
Southern Leyte, malayo. Oo.
Okay.
Okay.
Kaya pala medyo fit siya. Tsaka parang tatakbo siya anytime. Eh.
Okay ka lang ha.
Susunod
So,
niya.
mali natin manalo siya, di ba? So, sabi niya wala siyang kasama sa Grand Finals, buong tropa niya dito
Dadalhin
dadalhin niya
niya next time.
dito. Oo.
Alright.
Anyways, maraming salamat po, Mr. Rinaldo Caorte of VNG Tacloban City. Thank you so much. Ayan, ganun pala yun, DJ Liz.